Morning. Today let's talk about coordination of housekeeping with other departments. So first we are going to talk about coordination of housekeeping with front office department. As we know, housekeeping cleans the room, inspects the room, and front office sales the room. So there has to be a good coordination between housekeeping and front office. So maximum coordination housekeeping does with front office and maintenance department. So at first we are going to talk about front office department. First coordination is about cleaning of departure rooms. Whenever a room become departure, front has to inform this to housekeeping. For example, room number 105 became departure. Guest has checked out. Now that room is dirty. So front will inform to housekeeping that room is dirty. Please clean. When you clean, please after cleaning, please inform to us so that we can seal that room. So front will inform to housekeeping 105 is departure. Housekeeping will clean that room, inspect that room, ensure that everything is perfect in that room. And then they will tell to front office, and then front office will seal that room. That is the first point why they need to coordinate. Next is you have to coordinate for VIP arrivals. Housekeeping cleans the room, but they don't know they are cleaning whose room. Either in this room minister stays, or a big celebrity stays, or a sportsman stays. They don't know anything. They are just cleaning the room. So what happens whenever a front VIP is coming in a hotel, front office has to tell to housekeeping 106, 204, 308, so and so on. In all these rooms, VIP guests are coming. So you have to take a special care. And you have to put a VIP amenities. Suppose in 102, a VVIP is coming. So they will tell you have to put fruit basket, you have to keep flower arrangement, you have to keep extra supplies in bathroom, and whatever we provide champagne, whatever. So front will tell us all these things, and housekeeping should ensure that in those rooms everything is perfectly kept. So second coordination is for VIP arrival. First coordination is for cleaning departure room. Now third coordination is group arrival, crew arrival. What happened in the case of group? Group comes in bulk. They have 10 rooms in one particular floor. They have 15 rooms, 20 rooms. And what happened in the case of group? They travel together. Wherever they go in a group. So you have a short period of time. Suppose they are going out of a hotel for 3 hours. And after 3 hours, they will come back and they will take a rest. They are tired. So you have a 3 hours, limited 3 hours. And within that 3 hours, suppose you have to clean 15 rooms. That is not possible. So front will tell to housekeeping that within 3 hours, you have to clean 15 rooms. And housekeeping will arrange extra staff so that they can clean 15 rooms in 3 hours. So they need 3 staffs, or mostly 3 staffs they need to clean that 15 rooms. One person could not do. Same thing happens in the case of crew, airline crews. In the case of airline crews, what happened? One cruise leave the hotel, check out, and then another crew come. Sometimes what happened? There is overlap of time. Previously what happened? One crew check out 5 o'clock in the evening, and another cruise came at 7 o'clock. So you have 20 rooms. So you have 2 hours. In 2 hours, by arranging extra staff, we clean those 20 rooms. But now what happened, due to overlapping of time, another crew will come within 1 hour. One crew will leave at 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, another will come at 6 o'clock. So within 1 hour you have to clean 20 rooms now. So you need more extra staff. So like this information, front needs to provide to housekeeping, so that housekeeping can do preparation, and they can do the work in a perfect timing. So this thing is there. For this we have to coordinate. And sometime what happened, there are some scanty baggage guests, those who are staying in a room, and when housekeeping is cleaning the room, he doesn't find any luggage in the room, inside the room. So what happened, they have to inform room number 301. Inside the room number 301 there is no luggage, so this guest is scanty baggage. They have to inform to front, and front will also check in their record, okay, in 301 whether we have taken all the money in advance or not. This guest is going to stay for three days, so this guest is scanty baggage, whether we have taken a money for 3 days in advance or not. If we have not taken, we have to ask the guest to pay. So for scanty baggage also, housekeeping and front need to coordinate. Another coordination is for lost and found. Whenever guest lost something, forget something in room, housekeeping founds and housekeeping deposits those things to the lost and found section. But what happened, guest comes and asks to front, I have forget something in my room, I forget mobile in my room, did you hotel find? So what front will do, he will contact to housekeeping. So housekeeping will check in his lost and found record. If he found something, he will inform to the front office. So these are the few things for which housekeeping and front needs to be coordinated. There is one more point, occupancy report. Front has their own occupancy report. Housekeeping has their own occupancy report. Every day, two times in a day, before 12 o'clock, it might be in morning around 9 or 10, and after 12 o'clock in evening 3-4, afternoon 3-4. So housekeeping makes a report. He goes in each and every room and checks all the rooms physically. 101, 2 guests are staying. So occupied, 2 number. 102 vacant. 103 vacant. 104 out of order. 105 occupied, 1 guest. So like this they will make report for all the rooms present in hotel, and they will send this report to front office. Front office also have their report in their computer. Whenever the guest comes in, they make 101 occupied, 2 guests. Like this they will also make their report. So what happened, the occupancy report of front office and the housekeeping has to be tallied. And why we make this report 2 times in a day? Because our 12 o'clock is a check-in check-out time. So 101 which might be occupied in a morning by guest where 2 persons are there, that room might get check out at 12, and then another guest might come in that room, and in afternoon there is only 1 person staying in that room. So housekeeping also sends his record. So we will tally according to housekeeping. In morning there was 2 person in 101. According to front also there is 2 person, and according to housekeeping in evening there is 1 person, and according to front office record also there is 1 person. So like this we will tally. Sometimes that doesn't matches. For example, according to housekeeping in 101 there is 2 person, but in front's record there is only 1 person staying in that room. So this difference is known as discrepancy, and if there is any kind of such differences, we have to ask the guest to pay extra money for that extra person. So like this housekeeping and fronts coordinates with each other, and one basic coordination is for uniform. All the uniform worn by the front office employees are provided by housekeeping department. So they have to go to housekeeping department for taking their uniform. So this is about coordination of housekeeping and front office.